NanoPolix Scratch Remover Review. Does it work or scam? In this video, I am going to teach you exactly whether NanoPolix Scratch Remover actually works or is just another overhyped product you should avoid completely. Welcome back, everyone. NanoPolix ads are everywhere right now on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TV. Before you spend a single dollar, let me give you the honest truth in 2 minutes flat. Let's get into it. First, what is NanoPolix? NanoPolix is a cloth-based scratch remover using what the brand calls nanometal powder technology, positioned for surface-level paint damage including key marks, scuffs, swirl patterns, and light oxidation, not deep gouges. So right away, understand this. The brand's own FAQ contradicts its boldest ad claim. NanoPolix's official website uses the phrase 100% removes all scratches, but this is brand-stated promotional language that should be read carefully before you buy. Now let's talk about the red flags. The domain was registered recently in March 2026, carries a 22.3% trust rating, and ownership transparency appears limited. That alone should make you pause. Now here is what real customers are actually saying. Evaluating 151 reviews, most reviewers were let down by their experience overall. Many customers expressed significant dissatisfaction with the products, finding them ineffective and not living up to advertised claims. People frequently reported issues with their orders, including unexpected additional items and charges. One buyer reported thinking they ordered one cloth and were charged over $100 instead. What about the return policy? The 30-day guarantee starts at delivery, not order date, and with shipping from China taking 5 to 12 business days. Your effective trial window is closer to 18 to 25 days than 30. Here is your pro tip. Do the fingernail test before buying anything. Drag your fingernail across the scratch. If it catches, the damage goes past the clear coat, and scratch remover products usually do not permanently repair deep scratches. Save your money and see a professional detailer instead. If you decide to purchase, use secure payment methods with buyer protection, and that is a wrap. NanoPolix is only built for the lightest surface marks. The website has serious trust concerns, and hundreds of real customers report it simply does not work as advertised. If this review saved you money today, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me if you have tried NanoPolix and what happened. See you in the next one.